Hi, to pair your QCY T1C earbuds with Android phone, as a first step, make sure that the earbuds are charged and you can see those indicators on top of earbuds. And now we'll need to take them out of the case so they would automatically go into a pairing mode. After that, open settings on your phone, go in Bluetooth and enable it by tapping on the switcher. Make sure the signal is strong and other Bluetooth devices are turned off if there is interference in the room. And now you should see the name of your device in this available devices list. You will need to simply tap on it like that. And here tap to pair. And now it is connected because we can see the status connected and we can see it in the list of paired devices. If something went wrong, so your phone cannot see those earbuds, then you'll need to take them and press on those controllers on the top like that. And after that, you should see the name of your device in this list, and as we did before, just tap on it, confirm pairing, and now it is connected. If you want to customize gestures, check its battery percentage and so on, then you can install QCY app. For that, we need to go in Play Store or Google Play, and here we need to find this QCY app, install it. Mine is already downloaded, so let's open it. Here, agree with terms and conditions, and here we just need to tap next and turn off electricity optimization. Here we'll need to tap on allow and then go in the settings and tap next. Let's go to settings, and here we need to enable to draw over other apps just by tapping on the switcher like that. And now we can simply go back, and at this point we'll need to log in if you had an account here before, or you need to tap on this option register new account. So let me just log in quickly and get back to you. Here, don't forget to agree with user agreement and privacy, and also tap this login button. Wait a few seconds, and now it is automatically searching for nearby devices. So here, select to allow only while using the app, and now we should find our earbuds. And it just automatically found my device, so now the earbuds are connected to this app because we can check its battery percentage. We can go in sound and check this equalizer settings. We can go in settings and customize gestures. For example, for single touch of left earbud, we can choose voice assistant. And now let's test it. I'm gonna take my left earbud and press on this controller once to trigger voice assistant. And yep, it's working. So just tap those sections and customize gestures of your earbuds. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.